Hey ladies! Are you tired of trying supplement after supplement that promises everything but delivers nothing? Sorry for that. But what if I told you that this year you're destined to lose weight if you get either of these fat burners that actually work? So I'll quickly share with you the top 5 natural weight loss supplements that have helped thousands of both women and men, especially women, melt their stubborn fats and achieve their age-long weight loss goals. I'm optimistic you'll lose weight, whether it's burning belly fat, curbing cravings, boosting metabolism, or resetting your gut health. Let's get into it. If your main struggle is slow metabolism or low energy, then Mitolyn weight loss supplement is what you need. But how does it work, and how effective is it? Mitolyn enhances and supports mitochondrial function and fights anti-aging. That's the powerhouse of your cells, which supercharges your energy and fat-burning capacity. It contains ingredients that increase thermogenesis, your body's heat production, helping you burn more calories throughout the day, even while resting. So who should take it? Mitolyn is very effective for people, especially women, who feel sluggish, have hormonal weight gain, or find that weight just won't come off despite eating clean and exercising. It's perfect if you're in your 30s, 40s, or beyond, and need help revving your metabolism naturally. Second on the list is Bliss weight loss supplement. Do you usually feel like your cravings control you instead of the other way around? Then get Bliss double action supplement. It has helped many women lower their blood sugar and also lose weight successfully because it contains berberine, but avoid purchasing fake supplements from third-party websites, so click the link in the description to visit the official websites of each supplements at promo price. So how does Bliss work, and how effective is it? This natural appetite suppressant targets hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin to keep you feeling full longer. It reduces those irresistible cravings for sugar and carbs. You know, the ones that sneak in at night or after a stressful day? Alright, then who is it meant for? Bliss is super excellent for women who struggle with emotional eating, late-night snacking, or find it hard to stick to a calorie deficit. It's also great if you're just starting your weight loss journey and need help staying consistent. It is made with clean, plant-based ingredients. No jitters, no crash. Also on the list is LeanBiome probiotic supplement for weight loss. Did you know your gut plays a huge role in weight management? LeanBiome introduces lean bacteria into your gut microbiome. These help reduce inflammation, support better digestion, reduce bloating, and yes, promote fat loss. It also lowers your set point weight, helping your body naturally maintain a leaner size. It is perfect for women with bloating, irregular digestion, or those who've hit a weight loss plateau. Also great for anyone with a history of yo-yo dieting. It helps your gut recover and resets your weight balance. Think of it as a reset for your entire digestive and metabolic system. So click the link in the description to visit the official website of LeanBiome probiotics for weight loss. Next at the list is AmylGuard, the carb blocker weight loss supplement. Are you a carb lover yet you want to lose weight? AmylGuard is specially for you. So how does it work? AmylGuard contains natural amylase inhibitors that block the enzyme responsible for digesting carbs. This means fewer carbs are converted into sugars and stored as fat. Instead, more pass through your system undigested. And that's a win for weight loss. But who is it meant for? AmylGuard is a godsend savior for women who love pasta, bread, or sweets, but don't want to give them up yet want to lose weight. If you're following a low-carb or balanced carb lifestyle and want extra protection during indulgent meals, AmylGuard has your back. So click the link in the description to visit the official website of AmylGuard Carb Blocker for weight loss. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome product reviews, or if you need honest reviews on any product, do let me know in the comments. Last but not least is LavaSlim, your perfect fat burner while you rest. Imagine losing weight while you sleep. That's exactly what LavaSlim promises, and it has delivered that to thousands of people. So how does it work? LavaSlim boosts your body's resting metabolic rate using natural thermogenic compounds. It also supports fat oxidation, meaning your body uses stored fat as energy, even when you're sitting or sleeping. Then who should use it? It works excellently for everyone, especially busy women who don't have time for intense workouts, or those looking to maximize results from moderate activity. If you're juggling work, kids, and life, LavaSlim helps make every moment a fat-burning opportunity. Perfect for nighttime use or rest days. There you have it, the top 5 most effective weight loss supplements for women this year. So let me know which one you have tried before, and kindly share your testimonies with this community, or which one you will get. I look forward to your response after 7 days of using your preferred choice. But don't buy fake products. Visit the official website from the links I have put in the description below. Do have a nice day, and watch the next video if you're there.